Hello scholars, how are you all? Good? Today we are starting with chapter number 4, the dresses we wear of unit 2, our basic needs. In the previous chapter we have studied about one of our basic needs, that is food. In this chapter we are going to study about another basic need of our life, that is clothes. Before starting the chapter, I want you all to open the book on page number 27. It's chapter number 4, the dresses we wear. When you will open the chapter on page number 27, you will find some printing mistake on this page. When you will do the reading, you should avoid that mistake. Let us start the chapter. Do you know why we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover and protect our body from heat, cold and rain. When you have visited different places of India, you might have seen that people wear different types of clothes. This difference is due to the different landforms, different climatic conditions, religious, social and cultural diversities. Diversity means showing great or different varieties. Apart from these differences, there are some common dresses in India, like men wear dhoti kurta, kurta pajama and pant shirt, while women wear sari or salwar kameez. These are the most common dresses of our country. Let us read about some different types of dresses of our country. Dresses of women. The women of our country love to wear colorful and different dresses. Most of them like to wear sari, ghagra choli or salwar kameez. Some of the women use a piece of cloth called odhni or dupatta to cover their head. Sari is the most common dress of our country, and there are different styles of wearing sari. It is easy to identify the state with the way the women wear their sari. Some of the girls and women in cities are fond of wearing the dresses of Western style. Let us move towards the dresses of men. Men also wear a large variety of dresses in different parts of India. In cities, most of the men like to wear shirts and trousers, kurta pajama or dhoti and kurta. In Tamil Nadu, men wear lungi, which is called vashti, while in Kerala it is called mundu. Men in West Bengal and Assam mostly wear dhoti and kurta. There are different styles of wearing lungi or dhoti in different parts of India. Some men wear a cap or tie a turban, that is pagdi, to cover their heads. The Gandhi cap is worn by many people, particularly in Gujarat. Let us study about the dresses of tribal people. Tribal people are the people who live in forest or hilly areas. They wear their tribal dresses, which are generally colorful and made of forest products. There are different tribal groups in our country belongs to different regions, and their style of dresses are different from each other, as they wear their traditional dress which shows their different cultures. Climate also plays an important role in deciding the dresses for men and women in every part of the country. Like in hilly areas where the climate remains cold throughout the year, people wear woolen clothes. They also cover their heads either with a shawl, a fur cap, or a turban. While in summer season, people like to wear cotton clothes. We wear different types of clothes as per the different seasons. Like in winter season, we wear woolen clothes because woolen clothes keep us warm. While in summer, we like to wear cotton clothes because they absorb heat and keep us cool. In the rainy season, we wear raincoats which protect us from rain. Do you know from where we get wool for woolen clothes and cotton for cotton clothes? We get wool from sheep, and mostly the sheep we can find in the hilly areas, and cotton we get from cotton plants. Together with the dresses, we also wear different types of footwears. Footwears such as shoes and sandals are also an important part of our dress. Shoes keep our feet clean and safe. Shoes are also helpful while we are playing, traveling, mountaineering, and doing other activities like protecting people from fire and floods. Together with the shoes, we also use sandals and chappal, which also keep our feet relaxful, especially in the summer season. Most of the time we wear leather shoes. Even we match our shoes with our dresses. There are different styles of uniform shoes and sport shoes which are specially made with grooves or spikes to provide them a better grip. Apart from all these different types of dresses, there are some formal or special dresses which the people wear on special occasions like festivals or marriages. These include brocade, silk saris, suits with ties, jewelry, etc. The dresses of our country are very popular in the world. Like there are some dresses which are mostly popular in the world like Banarsi saris, Lucknowi chicken kurta, Kanjivaram saris, Peshawari and Rajasthani lehengas. In our country, as per the diversity, the people wear different types of clothes, and you will find these different styles in all the different states and regions of our country. We have completed the chapter. Let us revise what we have studied in today's chapter of our basic needs, that is clothes. We have studied that people living in different parts of India wear different types of dresses. The style of dresses changes from place to place and season to season. Sari is the most popular dress of women in India, while men in cities like to wear shirts and trousers. Tribal people wear tribal dresses. Together with the dresses, we also wear different types of footwears. And there are some formal or special dresses for some special occasions like festivals or marriages. The dresses of our country are very popular in the world. I hope you have understood the chapter. Now, whenever you move outside in any of the place, you should see the different styles of dresses worn by the people. You have to read the chapter, complete your exercises in the book, question answers in the notebook, and worksheet in a file or any of the one register. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.